It is time to do it, guys. We're gonna grab 3 eggies and start to whisk them lightly. When it's all mixed up, we're gonna slowly add half of the sugar into the mixture. Keep stirring it, and once all the sugar has been dissolved, then add the heavy cream. So mix a little bit around, and when that is done, we're gonna set this aside. Now, let's get to the chopping. Get to the chop. We will need 2 red apples and cut them into
big chunks.
Mr. Gordon wants big chunks of apple because this will create a nice texture in the dish. I'm from the Netherlands and we are being blessed by having sugar bread. It's kind of like brioche bread but sweeter and with caramelized sugar flavor and also some nice big sugar crystals. So chop the end of the bread and then do nice thick slices of bread. Lovely. Put a pan on medium heat and drop in the sugary, so the remaining of the sugar, and wait until it's melted and you have caramel. Once it's starting to melt, we're gonna add the apples and then stir it a little bit around. Now please remember, caramel in the pan is very dangerous. This stuff is so hot, so sticky that it will burn your fingers if you touch it very fast. So please don't touch it, it's very dangerous. Now cook the apple and the caramel together for 5 minutes and then add the remaining cream. Cook it for 1 minute, set it aside. Dunk your slices of bread in the egg mixture for 30 to 60 seconds, no more than that, or else the bread will get floppy and you will break the bread quickly. We don't want that, we want those nice big chunks of bread staying together. Now pan on medium heat with some olive oil, and now we're going to fry the bread for 3 to 5 minutes on each side until golden brown, delicious, GDB. Now once the bread is frying for 3 to 5 minutes per side, so sweet. I can't wait to try this, really. I'm being really honest with you. I like sweets. And also, if needed, you can fry the sides of the bread. I prefer to do this. At the very last, we're gonna add some butter, just for the flavor, you know, tiny bit of butter in the pan, and then move the pan around a little bit, you know, let the bread absorb a little bit of butter, and that is done and dusted. Out of this world, super delicious. And now let's build the Versace French toast from Mr. Gordon Ramsay Pansy. Strawberry jam on the bread, spread it around a little bit, then followed by these beautiful caramelized creamy apples, and make sure you put some extra sauce on top, of course. Finish it up with a dollop of creme fraiche, and come on, I don't need to say anything else. This looks so good. This will be good. You already know when you look at this, come on, let's be honest. When somebody put this in front of your face, you already know it's gonna be so delicious. So make it, don't break it, and thank me later. I'm gonna eat it in the sun. So guys, I'm skating out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. And also I recommend don't eat too much because this is a calorie bomb. So enjoy it. So enjoy it once in a while. Let's be happy together, okay?